But it's Christmas Day and I just got my present. I just always had the PS3, PS1, PS2, PS3, PS4, and the PS5. When I saw it, it was too big for me. I think it was, there was not a space, my apartment is so small, and I didn't even know where to put that huge thing. And when I saw the slim version, this one, I thought maybe this is my last chance to have a PS5 in a more small package. And I got it. I bought it for 450 euros. I think it's a really nice price. It's not with disc. I just got a 2 terabytes ESD because it was cheaper to get this 2 terabytes ESD than the disc version, and I don't expect to have 3 terabytes. It's 1 terabyte in the console and 2 more, it's 3. I guess it's going to be enough for all the games I'm going to play. The package, it's really good. Actually, it has some scratches in the corner, but it's not a big deal. Let's see how it is, PS5. Why there is a hole in the box? Ah, okay, because the first I see is a cable for 2 plastic things that I think they're the ones that make the console stand. That's ridiculous. HDMI or USB-C. Oh yeah, this USB-C must be for the commander. That it's here. Wow, it's not white, it's like a kind of gray. It's so beautiful. I don't know if I can put it without focusing my face, but the color is absolutely amazing. I really like it. And the last thing, really good package. Wow. Instructions, more instructions, so many paper. It's like so many paper. What the hell are you saying to? What do you want to tell me? Oh, it tells you which part you have to open to install the CD if you want to buy it for 100 euros, 110 or 106 or whatever. I'm not going to buy the CD, I think. I don't even have any CD. Wow. I thought it was white, but it looks gray at me. Actually, it's really beautiful. It's not that small, and it's kind of heavy, but yeah, I know I have to open one of these cases to put the memory. Oh, it is not this one. Maybe the top. And now I have nugget. Okay, I didn't want to open more than what I need. Yeah, I want to put it back. I said before, I'm super sick. Here in Spain there is a kind of virus that most of people is taking it, and I don't like to take medicines at all, and that's why I'm feeling so terrible. But I don't care. I think this is a process of my body, and when I'm sick, it's the best. Oh yeah, it was the top. If you have the PC, this is the front. It's in your right. It must be the place where to put the CD. And just on the top, there is this small place here. And it's where you can put it. I just bought one's from Crucial that it says it's a special for PS5. And also say it's better than what it needs. It's faster than... yeah. Open the case. And for what I see, there are different points where you can just decide which one you want to hold it. I think it's because there must be different sizes of these elements. It's connecting too easy. I don't know, I was expecting to feel that click, but I don't feel any click. Oh no, I felt the click. Okay. Okay, now that I felt the click, no, it looks amazing. The click was here, and now it's completely... I think I'm not going to put the tape on, just because I think it's going to be better for refrigeration. Yeah, I'm just going to leave the tape out, just for let the memory card be cooler. And here it is, the PS5 with 3 terabytes. Because all my games in the PS4 were digital, and this means that I must have the chance to download all the games here in the PS5. That's my intention, and I want to see the difference between playing in this one on the PS4. I just stopped playing with the PS4 because it was too slow. Every time I wanted to play one game, it was like 3-4 minutes, the fastest one to start playing, or maybe 10 minutes sometimes. It was really slow. 10 minutes not, but more than 3 or 4 minutes. But anyway, we'll see the difference with the PS5. I'm so excited to try it. I've been waiting for this one for a long time now. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye. Okay, it's not that fast. I tried like the MotoGP that I had in the PS4, and with the PS5 it's not that faster. Maybe because it's downloading so much games or anything, but it's not fast.